Hey everyone, want to share your website, blog, or product on Pinterest? Today, we are going to show you how to post on Pinterest using a link so you can drive traffic straight to your content. Let's get started. The post is called a pin. It's a visual bookmark, an image, video, or product shared on the platform to inspire users and save ideas. Pins stay on your boards and are linked back to a website, letting users discover, save, and organize content. This also helps organize boards for projects like fashion, recipes, or travel. Posting on Pinterest with a link connects your pins directly to your website or online content. This turns views into clicks, brings more traffic to your pages, and makes it easier for people to discover and explore what you offer, all from one pin. Follow along as we show you the easiest way to post a pin on Pinterest, so even if you're new, you can do it. First, open your browser. Go to www.pinterest.com. Once you're on the main page, look for the Pinterest toolbar on the left side. Here, you will see your boards, create options, updates, and messages. Click the logo or the plus sign to create. Let's click this. Here, you can choose to create a pin, board, or collage. Since we are posting, we will click pin. Now, fill in the forms. You can choose or drag a file here, like a video or a picture. Add a title and put filters. You can add a description, sample, or videos. Here, you can put the link to your website. Choose a board for your post, whether it's videos or other content you have created. You can add tags like gaming tutorials, or travel. Add other tags that fit your content. After filling this up, when you're done, click Publish. Now, it's uploaded to your boards. You will see it in your profile. Here is your uploaded pin or post. That's how we post on Pinterest using a link. It's simple, effective, and a great way to grow your reach.